Hello everyone, my name is Al-Amin Zamsuniang. Here is the individual case study project of Sabu Haji in the design thinking class. So in 2020, as we know, COVID-19 has spread out globally and especially in Indonesia. The food and beverage industry across cities in Indonesia has been hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic. According to data from PT Muka Teknologi Indonesia, number of industries has had experienced loss due to this pandemic, including the services and retail industry. But the data revealed that the F&B industry had seen the largest impact. So that means Sabu Haji is the one who get the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. So here is the customer empathy map. For the think and feel, customer think that quality time with family and relatives. They miss to eat in all-you-can-eat restaurant, but they afraid of COVID-19. Also crowded in restaurant. What the customer hear is a COVID-19 news and update, new normal, and unsafe to eat in restaurant. What the customer see is social distancing, PSBB, restaurant are closed temporarily, new system and new normal. What they say and do is they prefer to buy food in online. They prefer to cook in home rather than risking themselves to go to the restaurant. And they would like to go in restaurant if the restaurant fully implement the COVID-19 protocol. For the pain is unsafe feeling of the customer, afraid of COVID-19, and also COVID-19 virus spread out in the restaurant. There's no online services of the restaurant, and also restaurant is closed. What it possibly they gain is implemented COVID-19 protocol, cashless payment system, technological advancement, and also online home services. For the value proposition canvas, for the customer jobs is first of all is booking or reservation. They order food and cook the meat and all, and the last one is do the payment. For the gains, they have good times with family and their relatives, satisfied with the services of the restaurant, and satisfied with the COVID-19 protocol. For the pains, they afraid of COVID-19. They cannot hang out with their friends. Also, it is very crowded in a restaurant. There's no eating appetite, both with the home food and the physical distancing. So for the pain relievers, COVID-19 protocol, online food order, online reservation, and sterilized equipment. So for the gain creator, restaurant should provide standard COVID-19 protocol for food and beverage, smart food ordering, fintech for payment, home services, also droplet guard, and robot automation for delivering food in restaurant. For the product and service, all you can eat restaurant, Sabu Haji. Here is the business model canvas. For the value proposition, Sabu Haji provide quality food and best service, all-you-can-eat restaurant, safety group dining restaurant, and also technological advancement in restaurant. For the customer segments, middle high class, a group of families, group of students, group of workmate, Japanese food lover, and meat lover. For the customer relationship, Sabu Hachi could provide loyalty discount and giveaway. For the channel, website, social media, and offline restaurant. For the Sabu Hachike partner, government, food distributor, digital payment gateway, point of sale system, and also home service. For the key activities, new normal protocol, reservation management, marketing, accounting, omni-channel management. For the key resources, brand building, government certification, and human resources. For the cost of the Sabu Hachi structure, food cost, marketing, operational cost, and also employee salary. The last one for the revenue stream is just all-you-can-eat food. Here is the business model environment for the key trends. Obviously, new normal, government regulations such as PSBB and social distancing, online ordering, and cooking at home. For the industry forces, Sabu Hachi direct competitor are, as far as I concern, is Sunachi, Saburi, and also Kintan. Indirect competitor of Sabu Hachi is other dine-in restaurant. For the market forces, customer want to eat in restaurant that implement COVID-19 protocol. Customer also want to eat in restaurant with the hygiene restaurant. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, also customers seek for promo and discount. And for the macroeconomic forces, COVID-19 pandemic impacted to global economy. Lots of restaurants reduced the price of their food, and because of the COVID-19 pandemic, people tend to have low purchasing power for buying, and also restaurant recession. For the prototype, it is my prototype. First of all is a cashless payment system. This is for reducing physical contact between the employee of the restaurant and the customer. The second one is the smart food ordering. It is allowing customer to order directly from their device through restaurant application, and also using QR code or barcode for ordering on site the restaurant. And this one for droplet guard to prevent the coronavirus spread in the restaurant, so it is better to provide the droplet guard. This one is robot automation for delivering food in the restaurant. It can impacting of consumer, so they will feel safe, and also less contact physical between the customer in the restaurant. And the last one is home service for family package. for group of customer who afraid to go to the restaurant. Here is the three character of innovation. First of all is desirability, reduce human interaction, health and safety environment, easy order and payment, and also home service. For the emotional innovation, the customer could gain the satisfaction by assuring the COVID-19 standard protocol that is implemented in the restaurant, contactless order and cashless payment system, and also use droplet guard in the table for preventing the virus could be spread out in the restaurant, loyalty discount and giveaway. For the feasibility, payment gateway, ordering application, and also robotic restaurant. For the functional innovation, cashless payment, application based offline and online order, and also home service. For the viability, Saboo Hachi could be a pioneer in restaurant for providing safety standard, and also be the one of all you can eat restaurant that use robot for delivery order in the restaurant. For the process innovation, developing IT infrastructure for offline and online order and also home service, implementing the payment gateways for cashless system. And for the design innovation, Saboo Hachi would be more hygiene, and also standard. They provide standard COVID-19 protocol, they provide home services, and smart food ordering based on application. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.